The BCM AutoStorage R1 F-Type is a fully automatic storage system designed for rotary dies. Once the operator places the transport trolley in the garage, the system takes over. The crane retrieves used tools and replaces them with new ones, ready for a seamless production. The BCM AutoStorage optimizes your storage capacity while minimizing the required footprint. This system is ideal for businesses handling large volumes of tools, providing efficient and automated storage and retrieval process. For more information, please contact BCM Transtech at www.bcmtranstech.com.